I wanted to do a quick little video and demonstrate something that I did not realize, as well as something that I am doing that I find very beneficial. So what I have done is I have 3D printed these little gardens, for lack of a better word. They are simply a Keurig pod holder designed to hold the empty Keurig pods. So I print those and I end up taking the Keurig pods, once they're all cleaned out, filling up the little garden, and then once the little garden is full up, we can take these little pods, fill them full of dirt for our tomato seedlings or pepper seedlings or anything, and these little pods make the perfect little planter. So I will demonstrate real quick what I did not realize regarding these Keurig pods. I have a local company that saves all of their old Keurig pods, so I appreciate that. And if you look at these little pods, underneath you'll see the hole, which is the drainage hole where the coffee comes out by design. The top has the little spike hole, which allows the water to flow into the Keurig pod. So what I do is I will peel off this top sticker, which is basically all it is, like a foil sticker that holds and keeps the grounds inside the pod. So I will peel those off and discard those. And I will take the grounds, pull as much of those out as I can. I reuse the coffee grounds in my composter. I have a large composter outside, and I also keep one in my kitchen. So I get as much of the coffee grounds out as I can. Then I like to just rinse them off to get the remainder or the majority of the remainder out. A few grounds aren't going to hurt anything. So this is the part that I did not realize. I guess through the miracle of magic, I assumed that these pods would be full of coffee and that the water would go in, the coffee would come out, and that magic would then keep those grounds inside the pod. Well, in reality, that is not the case. These little pods have their own built-in coffee filter inside of them, which is perfect for our use as well. So this little filter will allow us to fill the pod full of potting soil or cocoa coir or whatever you're going to use. Then we water those. The water will go through the media. Then by design, the water is designed to come out the bottom. So it's a perfect little planter. Amazing. So what I will do is I will fill those up, pop a few seeds in those and put those into the planter, and then set those little planters wherever I want to put them, whether they be by a windowsill or next to one of my click and grows. But just a little tidbit of knowledge that I did not know. And these little gardens are wonderful little things. So I will make another video on those in a bit. Thank you.